Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. I am doing all those exercises which are inside my techniques episode. I am not going to explain any technique here. I am just use this Abacus doing for these exercises on your screen. So let's do some exercises to know much more about hand abacus, how to use this. Okay, so Binker process is very important while using hand abacus. Let's start. Questions are on your screen. Question number 1. This is my small hand abacus and this is my marked rod I am using from this rod. Okay, 2 4 24, add 3 1 31, add 8 7 87, minus 91, add 6 7 67, 118 is your answer. Next question number 2, 85 85, add 96 minus 76, add 58 minus 28. 135 is your answer. Question number 3, 67, add 54 minus 76, add 97 minus 90 and 8. 44 is your answer. Question number 4, 1 7 17, add 3 8 38, add 9 6 96, minus 76, add 3 7 37, 112 is your answer. Question number 5, 55 76 minus 26 plus 30, 8 minus 90 and 5. 48 is your answer. Question number 6, 41 70 and 6, minus 62, add 80, 8 minus 90 and 8. 45 is your answer. Question number 7, 99 minus 44, add 66, add 1313, minus 80 and 9. 45 again is your answer. Question number 8, 34 21 90 and 7. 97 minus 27 minus 71. 54 is your answer. Question number 9, 1 6 16 39, add 76, add 1313 and 99. 45 is your answer. Question number 10, 75, add 87 minus 1 7 17, add 77 minus 77. 145 is your answer. So in this exercise I used how to borrow 5 techniques, how to borrow 10 techniques, 3-step addition and subtraction, 4-step addition and subtraction, how to borrow 100, how to borrow 50, lots of technique I used inside these exercises. If you are totally new on the abacus, you have to start from the beginning level exercises. Please check my playlist and there you can find suitable episode for you, and abacus is recommended for age 4, and go to my Facebook channel. You can get content from there, and if you have any question, any comments, please contact me through the messenger. You can get links inside my description box. Okay, and keep learning, do not commit on my English language, and see you in the next episode. Tata.